Hey everybody, let's go through the program planning process that we did in class for Race to 30. Or I guess I'm calling it Race to 20 so that it's not such a long game. So whenever I'm doing program planning, I like to use a /* and a / because whatever I type in between is notes for me. It's not something that the computer tries to evaluate. But without those, the computer tries to interpret that as Java and it doesn't like it. So what's nice about this is you can write your plan right here inside the IDE, and then when you're done, you can translate it into Java. Okay, so I'm trying to remember kind of what happened in the game. So the first thing we need to do is print game instructions so that people know what to do. And then the next thing we need to do is print number of coins left. And then we need to ask the user how many. And instead of saving their answer into coins, maybe let's save their answer into like player one choice. That sounds nice. Then we actually have to subtract however many the player chose. So subtract player one choice from coins. And then I guess we have to do all of that again for player two. So we'll print the number of coins left, ask user how many, and that's player two's choice. And I guess when we ask user how many, we should say whose turn it is. So ask player one how many do you want to take? So what I'm trying to show you is, as I'm imagining what the game looks like, I'm going back and I'm revising the plan. Because when you first think of the plan, it's hard to get all the details right. But as you're really starting to imagine what's going to happen as this code runs, you can think about, oh, you know, it might be confusing for the player unless we actually tell them whose turn is it, because maybe they'll lose track or whatever. So you can go back and keep adding. Okay, so we're going to subtract, okay, so we save that into player two's choice. We're going to subtract player two's choice from coins. And I guess we want to keep repeating that over and over again. Player one choice and player two choice and player one choice and player two choice. So let's add a do while loop. So we're going to do that stuff, and I'm going to indent it all. And we're going to keep doing it while no one has won. What does that mean, no one has won? Oh, I guess it means while there's still coins left, right? So while still coins left. Okay. So what am I missing here? I'm imagining what's going to happen in the game. So we print the instructions. We print coins left, they choose it, we subtract. We print coins left, they choose it, we subtract. There's still coins left, so we go back up and we keep doing that and doing that and doing that. Ah, I got it. So what happens if there's like only a couple of coins left and player one takes the last coin and we subtract it? We don't want to let player two move at that point because the game should be over. So let's only have player two do their move if the game is not over yet. So I'm going to put an if statement in here. So if still coins left after player one's move, then we'll go ahead and do player two's move. That makes sense. Let's see, we should probably display who won, right? So where are we going to do that? I guess we could do that right here. So we could have an if statement. So if no coins left, then we'll display player one wins. And then, let's see, here, I guess we can have that same if statement inside here right after player two moves. So if no coins left, then player two wins. Okay, so this could be cleaned up a little bit, but for where you guys are, I think this represents, you know, a nice kind of thought about how this game is going to go. Okay, so let's try and program it. That will be in the next video.